Can you solve all these Class 3 EVs Chapter 9 It's Raining questions? Choose the odd one out.
Strong choice, sun is the right answer.
The main source of water? Well picked. Rain is the correct answer. Plants mostly get water from.
Bravo, rain is the answer.
Too much rain can cause dash.
Correct. Flood is the right answer.
We see rainbow dash its rains.
Well done. After is the right choice.
We see dash color in a rainbow.
Good thinking. 7 is the right answer.
From where did Apu get the water?
Good job. Your answer river works well here.
Apu bathed his body with his trunk.
Nice selection. False is the correct and valid answer.
Why the banana trees were drooping?
Great thinking. Lack of rain is the right choice.
The rainbow is made of 10 colors.
Exactly. False makes sense and it is right choice.
After precipitation, water collects.
Smart pick. All of these is the correct choice.
Dash changes water into water vapor.
You got it. Your choice condensation is right.
Falling down of rain, snow, hail is.
Nice work. You chose precipitation and it is correct.
How many colors does a rainbow have?
Perfect. 7 is the correct choice.
Banana tree do not need water at all.
Right again. False is a valid answer.
A large body of salt water is called.
Nicely done. Ocean is a solid answer.
Where do trees get most of their water?
Sharp thinking. From rain is the right choice.
When water vapor cools, it changes into.
Right choice. Liquid water is the best answer.
Apu, the elephant, like Govas very much.
Great job. False is the accurate answer.
What happens when the sun heats the water?
Correct response. Evaporation is the most accurate answer.
We sometimes see a rainbow after it rains.
Valid point. True is true.
Water vapor dash. When energy is taken away.
Excellent choice. Condenses into a liquid is the right answer.
Animals and plants need dash for their survival.
Well reasoned. Water is the correct choice.
Water on Earth can be found in the form of dash.
Clear logic. Your choice all of the above is sound and 100% true.
Choose the odd one out of the 4 options below.
You chose Swader, and it is correct.
The cloud can be gray, white, or black in color.
You're right. True is the correct answer.
Tuzapu poured water on the banana tree with his trunk.
Solid response. True is a valid choice.
When ice is heated, water changes into liquid and is known as.
Excellent. Melting is a brilliant choice.
Banana trees were green as it had not rained for a long time.
Smart move. False is an accurate answer.
On cooling, water vapor changes into water. This process is called dash.
On track. Condensation is the correct answer. Dash is the main source of water. You're right. Rain is the correct answer. Water can become all three states of matter. Solid response. True is a valid choice. Which change in state is happening here? Sharp thinking. Melting is the right choice. What percent of Earth is covered by water? Well reasoned. 75% is the correct choice. Water vapors are formed by the process of. Well done. Evaporation is the right choice. Process of formation of clouds is known as? Right choice. Condensation is the best answer. Look at the picture. It is an example of dash. Smart pick. Gas is the correct choice. When water vapor gets cold, it turns to a dash. Excellent. Raindrop is a brilliant choice. What are the three states of water found on Earth? Correct. Solid, liquid, and gas is the right answer. Observe this picture and choose the correct option. Correct response. Water cycle is the most accurate answer. What stage of the water cycle does this picture show? Right again. Precipitation is a valid answer. We use this process to change water from a liquid to a solid. Exactly. Freezing makes sense, and it is right choice. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format. Perfect. Contact Narayan Chengder on Facebook is the correct choice.